Hey guys, welcome to another video from Prime Side. In this video I'm going to be showing you a very easy way to make a salicylic acid face toner, and also how to make sure that your salicylic acid crystals does not recrystallize in your formulation. So if you want to see how I made this, let's get started into this video. So firstly, I have my propylene glycol measured. It's one solvent that can actually dissolve salicylic acid completely. And then I also have my salicylic acid crystals here, and I'm going to be having them in my propylene glycol. Remember that you have to make sure they are dissolved completely, because they might not be healthy to use when they are not completely dissolved. So I'm going to keep stirring, and then I'll set this aside, and then I'll be coming from time to time to stir this, because the more you stir, the faster it is to dissolve. Okay, so I'll just set this aside, and then I'm going to get in my measured water, distilled water, and of course you can substitute this for any hydrosol of your choice. I'm going to be having my sodium citrate powder into my distilled water. The sodium citrate salt acts as a chelating agent, an anticoagulant, and also a buffering agent to reduce the pH of skincare product. Okay, so this is the primary reason why our salicylic acid would not recrystallize in this formulation. So I'm going to keep stirring the sodium citrate salt in. As you can see, there are still granules underneath the water, so I'm going to keep stirring until it's completely dissolved. And here it's completely dissolved. I'll set this aside, and then I'll come back with the remaining ingredients. I'll definitely show you the measurements I used along this video, so just keep watching. So I'm back here with my propylene glycol mixed with salicylic acid, and my salicylic acid crystals are completely dissolved. And then I'm going to come in with my last ingredient, which is my Germol Plus preservative. Make sure that you're using a broad spectrum preservative here because of the pH of this toner. Okay, so I'm going to add these two phases together, and as you can see, the mixture got cleared up immediately. If there was no sodium citrate in this formulation, the mixture would have turned whitish, and the crystals would have recrystallized, and then the formulation will look funny, right? Okay, so that's what our sodium citrate helped us to do in this formulation. So I just go ahead and add my preservative, and my toner is almost done. I'll stir all the ingredients together, and then lastly we're going to check the pH of this product, which is very important. Never mix it and never ignore it. So I'm going to get my pH strip. Originally the pH of salicylic acid product are supposed to lie between 3.5 and 4 for it to be effective. So we're going to check and make sure that it's adjusted to that particular range of pH. So checking here, I think I have about 5 on my strip. On my color charts it's about 5, so it's not enough. I'm gonna go get my 50% citric acid solution. I have a video of how I made this citric acid solution here on my channel. I'm going to leave the link under the description box so you can check that out. And then I'm going to add a few drops in these. I'll stir, and then I'll check the pH again, and then I'll continue doing this until I get the right pH for this toner. Salicylic acid is a powerful acne fighter, and also it helps to turn over cells and to reveal new cells. That means it helps to exfoliate the skin, it helps to inhibit the acne causing bacteria, it helps to clear spots. But also don't forget that salicylic acid should not be used over 2% in your formulation, and also you shouldn't use salicylic acid with any other exfoliating agent, and also you shouldn't use salicylic acid with any other exfoliating scrub. So this toner is okay to use in the evenings, and if you've not used salicylic acid before, it's okay for you to try it like twice or thrice a week, and then after, if you tolerate it, then you can continue to use it daily. But if you're tolerant to salicylic acid, you can use this daily as your 9th time toner. If you want to use this in the daytime, don't forget to use your sunscreen, because this may cause you sunburn along the way. So see that our pH already matches 4, and I think we are okay with that. I think it's between 3.5 and 4. And so we're just going to bottle up our toner. This toner can be used by all skin complexion and also all skin types, but if you think your skin is really sensitive, you may opt out salicylic acid from your regimen. Please give this video a thumb up if you find it helpful, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And then I don't take your love for granted. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next video, but for now I hope you take care of yourself and have a lovely day.